Welcome to our channel. Enabling push notifications on Disney Plus ensures you never miss updates about new releases, recommendations, or important account information. Follow these steps to manage your notification settings. Step 1. Open the Disney Plus app on your mobile device or streaming device. Step 2. Tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner to access your account settings. Step 3. Select App Settings or Account depending on your device to view configuration options. Step 4. Navigate to Notifications or Push Notifications in the Settings menu. Step 5. Enable push notifications by toggling the main notification switch to the on position. Step 6. Customize which types of notifications you want to receive, such as new releases, recommendations, or account updates. Step 7. Ensure your device's system settings also allow Disney Plus to send notifications by checking in your phone's settings app. Step 8. Test your notification settings by adding a title to your watch list and seeing if you receive an alert when new episodes are available. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.